I have here Under Armour Ripple sneakers version 2, the latest one in this. And after a very successful regime of Under Armour Ripple, they've had their good times, I tell you, with the Under Armour Ripple. This is size 41 for women, or it's basically not women, it's unisex, but I'll just go into the shoe. Always excited with Under Armour. Reason being, I have used their zippers, I have had their t-shirts, and every product I've owned from Under Armour is actually impressive. So here you go, this is the sneaker. Get serious with the review. Under Armour, generally speaking, is known for quality. We have no doubt about that. I've had no product, I have had no complaint of any product that I've sold belonging to this brand that has had any kind of complaints. They are, they are qualitative workers, and some of their sneakers are though very highly priced, but they're very good. In basketball, there are very famous sneakers that have come out with this brand, the Under Armour. Very breathable upper here. It's very soft. You can see, you can just push it down, and you can see this overlaying section that is covering this section. So this section is actually, you can feel that's acting independent. This section ends here. You can see this line here, and they have joined this tongue, sewed this tongue with this section. So this section actually over here. That is my little kid. He's also excited to see the shoe. The color, if the camera is not picking it right, is maroon. It's pretty blood red, if you can just see it. I believe the camera is picking up the lighter version of that. It's basically a little denser than that. It's burgundy actually. We call it maroon, burgundy, blood red. There are different kind of names, but the tone is the same. It's not that red, like that thin red. No, it's not like that. It's pretty dense. So a very comforting sock liner. They have a comforting footrest, a specially designed one. Euro 41. I have two of these in the same. And a very catchy kind of an outsole. You can see a tricky outsole for providing the slip purpose. You have to have a design that keeps changing so that it provides more traction, more grip with the surface that you are using it for. Over and above, I would say, for Under Armour fans, they know it. It's their sneaker. Those who wear Under Armour shirts, trousers, and tracksuits or sneakers, and their training gear, they know this sneaker very well. It's not a training sneaker, by the way, just telling you that they love the Ripple too, and this is that shoe. It comes in various colors, but the one I have is this one in burgundy, and it's unisex, and boys and girls both can wear it.